Today we are going to learn different fruits.
Yep.
Are you ready? Let's go! Apple. Apple. Banana. Banana. Grapes. Orange. Avocado. Avocado. Hello, my friends. Today we are going to learn colors. Are you ready? Here we go. Can you guess what color is this? This is a green color. This is the orange color. This is a pink color. This is a white color. This is a blue color. This is a black color. This is a purple color. This is a yellow color. This is a red color. This is a brown color. If you like this video, please subscribe. It helps me make more videos and learning fun for you.